Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I will be showing to you guys. This video is a bit different from other videos. Now in this video I'm going to show to you guys why playing in the stock market is fun. So it is not always that you make money out of the stock market, that you gain profits and you trade stocks only for to make money out of the stock markets. There are some other reasons as well that you should trade in the stock market, that can give you profit, that will make you money in the long run or maybe in the short run as well. So always focus on learning, always focus on things like how you can enjoy trading in the stock market. Trading is a heck of a lot fun in the stock market than anything else. Trading is all about it is all about a roller coaster ride. You can see right here that it's a roller coaster, ups and downs, ups and so try to enjoy trading in the stock market. Trading is fun, it's learning, it's all about learning and experience and knowledge. So it is more to learning and knowledge than to fun. So always focus on these things. Do not be bothered of it, because the stock market is something that is from which you can learn and make money as well. So I've also learned a lot of things from the stock market, and learned many I've also enjoyed trading in the stock market. On the way, I have learned many new things uh, and focused and know that uh, how how the stock market works at different points. So that should be your main focus of how things can, how it will give you, how you can make, how can you enjoy it and how you can make money out of it both at the same time. So always focus on those things that excites you the most, that you say that this, if I do, I'm going to enjoy this. So always focus on things like these. Do not focus on things like, oh no, things that you do not enjoy, things that you do that irritates you. So try to avoid these things. Do not step into those things that bothers you, or that something that you do not happily do. So focus on things that you enjoy. Now in the stock market, this wasn't my passion, but the mysteries, the the way the how the stock market works, I like this, and I've found out that this is the one field that I can enjoy. Although I haven't made much profit out of the stock market up till yet, but I did make some money out of the stock market, and I did make money. So I'm not saying that I do not make money, and I do not. I've learned a lot from the stock market and made money less. So a time will come that I will use my knowledge and I will make much more money out of the stock market. So I've learned as well. Um, I've enjoyed the stock market. It give me a whole lot of a different experience while trading in the stock market, because none of the business will give you this much experience as the stocks give. I started my investment from lower money, and then I grew my investment. And I also know the purpose of the I also know why you should use um, why should you take calculated risk, and why should you use risk margins, take profits, and all of that stuff. All I've learned due to from trading in the stock market. Now these are the things that you should consider before trading in the stock market. Now trading in the stock market is a whole lot of a different experience. You will learn a lot while trading in the stock market. It, as I've said, that it will give you a whole new different experience, and you will learn different many new things while trading in the stock market. So do not ignore this market, because this market, well, maybe some of you guys do not want to learn new things. Maybe some of you guys are like, invest in stocks and forget about it, and after 2 or 3 years remember that you have invested in the stock market. So also, so that is something you can consider as well. You can also do that as well, but you will not gain that much as I have learned while trading in maybe daily or short term, as a short term trader. So I've learned basically on while trading in the short run, and also I haven't traded in the long term. I have only traded in the short term, and from that I made some profit, and now I'm also investing those profit as well in the stock market, in the different stocks. So that is those are some of the things that I've learned while trading in the stock market. Trading in the stock market is much more fun and much more enjoyable. So try to enjoy this market. This is all about learning and gaining new knowledge, gaining experience. The stocks, it will help you. Like I'm saying myself, I'm like considering myself here that I've learned a lot from this. I've also learned how business works from this market, because this market I've learned, this was my first business, and this is still my first business. I'm still trading in the stock market, so this is my first business. I've learned a lot of different things from the stock market, so I'm not going to quit it. I'm going to keep on trading. Whether I lose all of my money, I'm still going to be trading in the stock market, because the stock market is not about you losing money, it's about your indecisions. You took decisions at the wrong time, so it's all about those things. And try to avoid those feelings that you lost money in the stock market. Money is a material that wears out, but knowledge doesn't. So focus on the moment, focus on enjoying your enjoying the stocks, focus on enjoying in the stock market. So and focus on learning new things in the stock market, because in this you will learn many new things while trading in the stock market. So those are some of the things that you should consider while trading in the stock market. And also take fun out of it, make enjoy the stock market, enjoy the ride, enjoy it as far as you can. So do not ignore it, because the stock market is all about enjoying a different type of stocks, buying and selling stocks. It all works like that. So enjoy the market and do not ignore it. So 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 it's all, as I said, it's all about enjoyment. Do not ignore it. So and the stock, and try to learn as much new things as you can, because it is all about learning. And the stock market is quite quite a learning quite a learnable business. So always focus on this on these type of business, that from which you can learn something, from which you can apply to your trading, from which you can learn many new things. So that's what you should be focusing on. Now now I've learned a lot from the stock market, and also I've enjoyed this market as well. As from since October I'm trading. So since October 2020 I'm trading. So I've learned a lot of different things up till now, up till how when I made this video. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.